Kids. Today we will learn bird names. Birds can fly and sing. Let's learn their names and have fun.
Hello kids! Welcome to our fun learning video. I am so happy to see you today.
Canary. Canary.
This is a canary.
Parakeet. Parakeet.
This is a parakeet.
Myna. Myna.
This is a myna.
Seagull. Seagull.
This is a seagull.
Ostrich. Ostrich.
This is an ostrich.
Turkey. Turkey.
This is a turkey.
Crane. Crane.
This is a crane.
Stork. Stork.
This is a stork.
Hawk. Hawk.
This is a hawk.
Falcon. Falcon.
This is a falcon.
Vulture. Vulture.
This is a vulture.
Pelican. Pelican.
This is a pelican.
Goose. Goose.
This is a goose.
Heron. Heron.
This is a heron.
Toucan. Toucan.
This is a toucan.
Macaw. Macaw.
This is a macaw.
Finch. Finch.
This is a finch.
Robin. Robin.
This is a robin.
Blue jay. Blue jay.
This is a blue jay.
Nightingale. Nightingale.
This is a nightingale.
Hummingbird. Hummingbird.
This is a hummingbird.
Cuckoo. Cuckoo.
This is a cuckoo.
Pheasant. Pheasant.
This is a pheasant.
Quail. Quail.
This is a quail.
Parrot. Parrot.
This is a parrot.
Hen. Hen.
This is a hen. Great job, kids! You did very well today. You learned many birds' names. I am proud of you. Keep learning and keep smiling. See you next time, kids! Bye-bye! Thanks for watching Kissandkids! See you next time!
Like and subscribe.